Hello everyone, it is day 29 of the Doodle School Free Motion Doodle Challenge, and the prompt for today is zigzags. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do zigzags today. The first one I'm going to call rainbow zigzags or Zig Zag Arches. So first thing you need to do is just draw a bunch of echoing arches like that. And then you're going to fill in the spaces with the zigzags. So I just draw a a diagonal line from here to my first line, and then down to my third in the opposite direction from left to right, and just zigzag back and forth till I get to the bottom. Now I can't reach the insides of these two arches right here yet, so I'm going to leave them as they are for now. Depending on how close I want my lines to be to each other, I can come back over here and fill in these spaces like that. Then I can travel over here. Now remember, this line right here goes right to left, slants from right to left. So this one you want to slant from left to right. And actually I think you can even put in a line right here, then slant down to here, and then echo your previous zigzags. So it takes a little bit of thinking when you get down to those rows at the bottom where they can't contain all of the zigzags that the other ones can. But once you get it down, all that you need to do is just echo your previous lines. Okay, all finished with that one. I'm going to show you one more way you could do it, and that is putting zigzags inside of zigzags. So, and you could slant your zigzags any way you want. Basically any shape that you can make that creates a space, you can probably put zigzags into. So these zigzags are my guidelines basically, and I'm going to put zigzags inside of them. And these zigzags are going to end up looking quite a bit more wonky than the last ones. You'll see what I mean as I go along. But basically what you're trying to do is just echo like you did before. So right here again we run into some awkward stuff. I'm just going to use this line. I'm going to put that there. So you'll see the spacing on this type of a zigzag line can't really remain even, and that's okay. It just ends up creating a very different effect. So you can see they kind of look like they're twisting. It creates a little bit of an optical illusion. I guess I went the wrong direction with that line. What can I say? This does get confusing. Let's just go like this. Okay, so I got a little off over here. I think you kind of get a better optical illusion over here, so I'm going to need to practice to really get this right, but that's a basic idea. I just wanted to show you that you could take just about any design you can think of and put zigzags in it. If I wanted to do overlapping circles and then maybe do, let's see, a zigzag like that. So every time it goes through the circles, it changes direction, and that kind of creates the illusion that the zigzags are kind of even forming these circle shapes. All right, that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 30 of the Doodle School Free Motion Doodle Challenge. Bye now.